Well, howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Amateur Artist Mar D Channel once again from Mainland. And since everything's mighty wet out here, I thought I'd do a tabletop cooking with my, canteen cup. Yeah, we're gonna cook some ramen noodles. Yeah, ramen noodles, man. But not just any ramen noodles. We're gonna kind of change this up a bit. Canteen cup, ramen noodles. Let's get it on. We got this here MSR set up, and we finna make a flame. See if I can get this thing to work. I've been working on this thing most of the day. There we go. Ah ha ha. Now my canteen cup, it don't want to sit on that MSR. It just won't do it. So I gotta use bone to a grate. We're on top. So I'd set that there canteen cup right on top of her. I'm going to turn the handle this way because the wind is blowing this way. And inside there, I got me 2 cups of water. Holy monstrosity. Man, it don't take long to get 2 cups of water boiling with that Whisperlite. Man, that thing is stroking. That is once you get the engine started. Yep, got some boiling water there. About ready to throw some of these ramen noodles in there, but before I do, let me show you what we got. I should have had this ready to go. Yeah, we got some of them there. Meatballs, man. Meatballs. Great value brand. These are pre-cooked. I'm just going to drop a few in there because they are still frozen. And that right there seemed to reduce the water temperature kind of quick. Now, I may have to pour some of that water out. I'm not exactly sure. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add these here chicken ramen noodles, but all these ramen noodles are the same. It's the flavor pack which determines what flavor you get. See if this right here is going to be too much. That may actually work. Yeah, there's the chicken pack, but I ain't going to add that. Nah. I was debating on whether or not to crumble these up or not. We'll leave it like that right there. And that way we have some long skitty noodles. I've done this before, and it's pretty daggum good. I got a question. They call this the MSR Whisperlite. It ain't exactly quiet, you know what I'm saying? Now that right there is doing pretty good. Got it all stirred and the meatballs are coming back to the top. I think everything's warmed up mighty nice. So, I is going to take this off, set it to the side for now. I'm going to turn this flame back on. Put this up there so y'all can see. Put the lid back on. And I'm going to make sure them skitties, or them ramens rather, gets mighty nice and tender. Then I'm going to drain the water out. Now at that point right there, if you like it soupy, you can go ahead and add your chicken flavor in there if you want to. Have a ramen noodle with some Italian meatballs. But nope, I'm pouring the water out. We're going a step further. Yepers. I left just a little bit of liquid in there, not much. We got some ragu. Yeah, we're going to add some skitty sauce. Oh, that's about right. While this thing is doing its thing, we're going to give it a stir. May have to take it off the burner to do this. Because I sure don't want this to sit there and burn. Oh, yeah. Burner turned off. She's all heated up, and now we got some Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. Let's see if we can do this without spilling too much of it. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna add a good chunk of it in there. Yeah. You ain't got cheese on your skitty unless you got some Parmesans. Yeah, just trying to warm that cheese up a bit. Coming along nicely. But now, how do it taste? You may be asking yourself that very same question I am. Oh, look at all that cheese. on my spoon. Hey, we'll get a little sample right here. Needs a little pepper. Spaghetti with a spoon. If I just don't drop it, I hope that meatball balances just right. Here we go. Taste test. Oh man, I gotta go on top of the mountain here.
Man, that spaghetti you made, noodles were good, but those fake meatballs were nasty. Nasty. Fake. Fake meat.
Dadgummit. Yep. Perfectly good video shot from beginning to end. And come to find out them meatballs were fake news. They fake meatballs. Even though they said #1 ingredient there was beef. Nah, they tasted freezer burnt. And they weren't freezer burnt. They just had too much of that fake Italian stuff in there. They wasn't good. Remember I said I did this before and it was good? That's because back then I used real ground beef to make my spaghetti with them ramen noodles and that very same spaghetti sauce. Anyway, here's the end of the video. Hey, thanks for joining me. This is Amateur Artist Mark D. Chandler once again from Man Land. Wishing you and alls a happy spaghetti with a spoon, a little bit of fun. I fell back in the canteen cup. It's alright.